Understanding, tasting session, a flavorful journey in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, tasting session. This phrase is not only flavorful in its literal sense but also rich in its usage in the English language. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. A tasting session refers to an event or a gathering where people sample small portions of various foods or drinks to experience their flavors. This is commonly associated with wine, cheese, or chocolate tasting, but it can apply to any food or beverage. The key here is the act of sampling and savoring different tastes. Tasting session can be used in various contexts. It's often found in culinary settings, like restaurants or food festivals, where chefs showcase their creations. It's also popular in wineries or breweries, where the focus is on experiencing different types of wines or beers. Additionally, this phrase can be used in a more metaphorical sense, to describe trying out or experiencing a bit of everything in life. 1. Inviting someone. Would you like to join our wine tasting session this weekend? 2. Describing an experience. The cheese tasting session at the market was an amazing culinary journey. 3. Metaphorical use. College is like a tasting session of different subjects and interests. In different cultures, tasting sessions can be a significant part of social events and gatherings. For instance, in many European countries, wine tasting is a cherished tradition. Understanding the cultural context can add depth to your use of this phrase. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, tasting session, and how you can incorporate it into your English conversations. Remember, language learning is like a tasting session. It's all about experiencing and savoring different aspects. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.